To write down that two different cubic equation that is going to give us the same roots as the roots to this equation, we need to refer back to the graph that we have drawn in part 4, the graph of y is equal to modulus of fx, because the roots to this equation, it is the same as the x coordinates of the intersection between this red colored graph, and the line y is equal to 4. By imagining it and comparing this red colored graph to the original graph of y is equal to fx, this portion over here, belongs to the graph of y is equal to fx. That's why the first cubic equation that we can write down is fx is equal to 4. And the other cubic equation that we can write down, it is going to be the intersection between the graph and the line y is equal to 4, and basically it is this portion over here. This portion is obtained from fx, which is reflected about the x-axis. So this portion over here, it is actually y is equal to negative fx. That is why the next cubic equation that we can write down, it is negative of fx is equal to 4. And let's solve for this. Let's solve for this two cubic equation, and the roots are going to represent for us all the roots to this modulus of fx is equal to 4 equation. In fact, this we have already solved from the previous part of the question, part 2. We have already found that the solution to this is x is equal to 2. So this is already done. What we need to solve is just this other cubic equation. So this is going to be negative of fx. fx is x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 2x minus 4. This is equal to 4. Which means that if I were to bring everything over to the right hand side, I have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 2x. This is going to be equal to 0. Factorizing out x, I will have x squared plus x minus 2. This is equal to 0. This is x plus 2 and x minus 1. It is equal to 0. So for this cubic equation, I'm going to have 3 roots. One is x is equal to minus 2, the other one is x is equal to 0, or the last one is x is equal to 1. And these are all the roots to this equation: 2, minus 2, 0, and 1.